Alrighty, hi dancers. So here is a fun dance game that you can play at home if you have a brother or sister, or even invite mom and dad to join in. So this is our dance version of Simon Says. So here are a couple of the steps that I like to do when I play this game. So my first one is going to be our pirate arms. So I'm going to swing my arms in front of me. So I would say, Simon says, do your pirate arms. Then I would say, Simon says, freeze. Then the next person will go. And another step that I love to do is open and close the windows. So I'm going to put my arms in front of me. I'm going to open and close my windows. Then Simon would say freeze. Then our next step is going to be our rubber band. So I'm going to imagine I'm putting a rubber band underneath my toe. I'm going to pull that rubber band. Then Simon would say, put on the other foot. Whoop, and pull that rubber band. Pull. Then here's a fun one. You can either think of it as a scarecrow or a robot. So we're going to put our arms out to the side, and Simon would say either do the scarecrow or the robot. I'm going to pop my arms up and down, up and down. Then our last one is going to be Simon says to jump like a skier. So we're going to jump side to side, side to side, side to side. Alrighty dancers, so feel free to play this with your family. Think of some fun steps of your own, and even ask your family if they have any fun steps to add. Alrighty dancers, we'll see you soon.